Yo, what's good? Today I'm gonna go over how I made $556 day trading the NASDAQ on January 2nd. This is my first trade of the year of 2026, and it was pretty good. I'm gonna take a payout today, probably. I'm at 1600, so it'll be about $800 payout, which is pretty good, I think, for my first one. Well, so I'll make another video on that, what it looks like getting a payout if you want to see, like, what it is, but this was the trade I took today, so. Market opens off this big wick up. Let me get on ES here too. ES also had an up wick, but not as much. It also had a wick to the downside here. But they were both in this 1 hour fair value gap. And once market open, there's also an SMT, an hourly SMT. ES downtrend, NQ uptrend. Oh, no 1 minute, but uptrend there. I was originally looking for either ES shorts with the SMT, reaction off this fair value gap, or potentially NQ longs, which would have been good, but I took the shorts before that. This is arguably even a better trade, but so market opens, wicks up, sweeps, equal highs with this, makes equal highs with right here, then has a bullish reaction, then another one. I didn't want to enter here, and then ES at that same time was just bottomed out of the fair value gap, which I almost entered here, but I wanted to wait for a little bit more because it was like 2 minutes into market open. This could have been a good trade though if I targeted. Let's see. Yeah. Well, could have targeted this low and this high. That was somewhere I did have marked out before I got erased. But the trade I took was here. Created this 1 minute fair value gap and bigger inverse fair value gap. I entered one trade like here. It was about here. That was like here. And I went to break even on this one. So I got stopped out off this candle, this big blue one, which at break even, which is fine because obviously came higher, and then I got an entry all the way here. Stopped just up there. I went to break even after this candle, and then just bottom ticked it barely, and then completely turned around. But this could have been a good entry to the other side. Swaps out the fair value gap. It didn't make a higher high there, but off that reaction, or wait for this one probably. Set that just below there, and then set this to previous highs. Go all the way to the wick high. That could have been a great like ping pong trade. That, yeah, could have done that, but I'm okay with just taking my profit. But that's how I made $500 trading the NASDAQ in how long? 12 minutes. That's pretty good. But yeah, Discord in the description below for free, and then join there and let me know if you have any questions or any comments, and I'll definitely respond. Peace.